Welcome to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync your Microsoft Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Outlook app and go to your profile. The first thing you have to do is open your Outlook application and access your profile. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. After accessing your Outlook profile, you can see the Settings button in the bottom left corner. Simply tap on Settings and go to the Settings. Step 3. Choose the email. After coming to the settings, you simply have to choose your email account. After choosing the email, you can see the Sync Calendar option here. Step 4. Allow the Sync Calendar option. Now, you just simply have to open the Sync Calendars option here and allow your Microsoft Outlook to access the calendar. By doing this, you have successfully synced your Microsoft Outlook calendar with Google Calendar and Device Calendar. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more future content like this.